Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Children, how are you? I hope all of you are well at home. In previous video, first part of numbers, I explained you about numbers, numerals, numeration, and how to read and write largest number easily. I hope you have watched first video. If you didn't watch that video, I recommend you first watch that video. Link will be available in description. Today we will learn about the place value, face value, successor or predecessor of given number, increasing or decreasing order of the given numerals. Children, we will start with place value. Do you know what is the place value? Place value. Place value, that means value of the place in the number. Value of the place in the number is called place value. What is the place value? Value of the place in the number is called place value. Take one example. Take one example here. Suppose 4, 6, 7. One number is here. First put the here read number. This one is the ones and this one is the tens and this one is the 100. Always remember, we have to start reading from the right side. Ones, tens, 100. This one is the ones. How many ones? 7. 7 ones. That means 7 into 1. That is 7. 6. 6 is tens. 6 into 10. That is 60. 4. 4. It will be the 4. Place value is the 100. 4 into 100. That is 400. That is the place value of 7. 7. 6. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 4 is 400. Now, see what is the face value. It's very easy. Face value is the digit itself. Example, if I will say, give him one number 1475. 1475. If I will ask you what is the face value of 7, then answer is 7. Face value of 7 is 7. Means number itself. Face value is the value, the digit itself. Okay. So, face value of 4. Face value of 4 is 4. Same way, face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 1 is 1. Means face value is the value of the digit itself. Let us take one more example to understand things better. I will take one more example here for finding the place value. See here, example, we will take a big number. Suppose we will take 4, 8, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We have to find the place value of the each digit. Place value of the each digit. Okay. Students, sometimes in the question is mentioned there, find the particular number place value of the given number. Means if in questions mentioned there, you have to find the place value of each digit, then you have to find out the place value of each ones. 7, 6, 5, 8, 4. If one number is mentioned there, you have to find the place value of 8 only. Then you have to find the place value of 8. Place value of 8. Read the number. What I told you, you have to start from the right side. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Place value of 8 is 1000. Okay. Then it is the 8 into 1000. That is 8000. Then place value of 8 is 8000. Okay. Now we will find the place value of each digit. What is given here? We will find the place value of each digit. For that, what we have to do? First, we have to make 3 columns. We have to make the 3 column. First column, second column. This one is the second column. Wait. This one is the first column. This one is the second column, and this one is the third column. Okay. Now we have to make 3 column. In first column you write the digit. Okay. In second column you have to write the position. And in third column you have to write the place value. Okay. First we have to make the 3 columns. First column digit, second column position, third column place value. And I told you have to start from the right side of the given number. So what is right side in the first number is here? This one is the 7. Afterwards 6. Afterwards 5. Afterwards 8. Then 4. These are the digits. Okay, these are the digits. Now we will read the number. Read the number 7. 7. This one is the ones. Position is ones. This one is the tens. 6 is tens. This one is the 100. 5 is 100. 8. This one is the ones, tens, 100. This one is the 1000. Right? 8 is the 1000. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000. This one is the 10,000. This one is the 4 is the 10,000. Right here 10,000. Okay. First column we write the digit. Second we write here position. Now we will write the place value. 7 ones. 7 ones. That means 7 is multiplied with 1. It will be the place value of 7 is 7. 6. 6 position is tens. So we will multiply with 10. Then it will be the 60. So what is the place value of 6? 60. Then 5 is here 100. So we will multiply with 100. Now 8 is here 1000. So it will be the 8,000. Okay. Then next one is the 4 is the 10,000. That is 40,000. Okay. Now we get the place value of 7. That is 7. 6. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 5 is 500. And place value of 8 is 8,000. Place value of 4 is the 40,000. Children, one more work we can do here. We can write these numbers in the expanded form also. So one more question arises here. If in the question is given write the 48,567 in expanded form. So how we will write? First you write the here expanded. Now we have to write this number in expanded form. Okay. What is the number given here? Right here, expanded form. Expanded form. So first write the number. What is given here? 48567. Okay. And after then we will start from the here. 40,000 plus 8,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. Okay. We will write this number first, then this number, then this number, and then this number, then this number. That is the expanded form of 48,567. In simple, where you can simply see the number 4. Right here 4, and how many digits after the 4 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We put the 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then write the next number. Next number is 8. After then write the 8, and how many digits is there? 1, 2, 3. Then write the 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. Next number is the 5. We write the 5, and after 5 how many digits are there? 2 digits. So we will put the 2 0. Next C 6. After 6 how many digits is there? 1 digit. So we will put 1 0. Then next one is the 7, and after 7 no digit is there, so simple 7 we will write. That is also expanded form. If in questions are given, more examples are given. Suppose in the question, next question is given ki 57,462. We have to write the expanded form. Only in that questions we have to find the expanded form only. Then no need to write all the place value this one. Simply in short you can write this number 57462, and afterwards you start from here 5. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 7. After then how many digit? 1, 2, 3. Put the 3 0. After then 4. See how many digit here? 1, 2. So write 1, 2. Then next one is the 6, 2, and this one is the 2. So in expanded form we can write like that. Simply we can write, see the digits, and we will put the 0 and write in expanded form. Okay. So one more example we will take for the finding the expanded form or place value. Take one another example. One more example we will take. Suppose 3, 5, 6, 4, 6, 7. And we have to find the place value of these digits, each digit. First we read the number. This one is the ones, this one is the ones, this one is the tens, this one is the hundred, this one is the thousand, this one is the 10,000, and this one is the lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. In rough you can write like that. Okay. And first what we have to do? We have to make the 3 column digit. In first column we will write digit. Second column we will write position, and in third column we will write the place value. Okay. So from where we have to start writing digit? From where? From the right side of the number, given number. We will start from the 7. Next 6. Next 4. Next 6. Next 5, and then 3. Okay. And after then see the position we have to write. Already I written in the rough. This one is the position of the given number. 7. 7 position is ones. We write ones. 6 position is tens. 4 position is 100. 6 position is 1000. Then 5 position is 10,000. Okay. Then 3 position is lakh. Now I written here the position, digit and position. Next column is the place value. Very simple. Write this one. First one is the 7. So write the 7. And here 1 is written. So we will multiply with 1. Values is 1. Same way 6 into what? 10. That is 16. 4 is 100. So we will write 100. 400. 6 is 1000. So we will write 6,000. Okay. Then it will be the next one is the 5. 10,000. 50,000. That is the 50,000. Okay. After then 3 lakh. What we have to multiply? Lakh here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we have to write the expanded form. Expanded form I will write here on the top, but you write in the down. Don't write on the top. Okay. Expanded form. Expanded form of which one? 3, 5, 6, 4, 6, 7. Write in the down here. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One easy way I tell you now. You write, follow that one, or otherwise you write from here. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 6, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 1, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 7. That is the standard form. Expanded form. That is the expanded form of given number 3,56,467. Same way we will find the place value. Any doubt here? Same way you also try this question. Face value, once again I explain you. Face value is the number itself. So if I will ask you, what is the face value of students? Any doubt in place value or face value? Place value and face value. Two things I explain you here. Face value, the number itself. Okay. That means 375. Face value of 5 is 5. Same number we have to write. Now face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 3 is 3. Same way, number itself is the face value. But place value, for place value you have to make the 3 column. First we have to write the digit, second position, and third we have to write the place value. Okay. And for that we have to start from the reading from the right side of the given number. Now see successor number, and first one is the successor and second one is the predecessor. Student, listen. Successor number, predecessor number. What is the successor number? What is the predecessor number? Very easy. Successor number, the numerals which comes just after is called successor of the given number. The numerals just comes after of the given number is called the successor number, and predecessor number is the numerals which come just before is called the predecessor of the given number. One example. Take one number, any number. Example here, 46,767. If I will ask you, what is the successor of the 46,767? So what I said, successor just after of the given number. So 46,767, just after 767 it will be the 46,768. This one is the successor of the given number 46,767. And what is the predecessor of 46,767? So just before number we have to write 46,767 and predecessor, that means 46,767. Before 67 what will be the answer? 766. That is the predecessor of the given number. Means one example I will write here. Suppose 241, small number I will take it for you, 242. If 242 number is given and if I will say कि write the predecessor of the 242, so just before 242 what is the answer? 241, and 241 is the predecessor of given number. Okay, and same way just after 243, this one is the successor of the given number. Means successor of 242 is 243 and predecessor of 242 is 241. We have to always remember success. We have to include one more number. We have to add one more number for finding the successor number. Simple way you can understand this. If successor, I will say what is the successor of 47? 6. So just add one more. 46 plus 1, 47. 47 is the successor number. What is the predecessor of 46? Predecessor, just you minus 1 in or write the before number. Then it will be 46 minus 1, that is 45. The predecessor, just before number you have to write that is the predecessor number, and after just you write that number is the successor of the given number. See one more example I will show you. See 98297. You have to write just before and just after. This one is the middle number and here two blanks are given. You have to write the before number and here just after. So first you put the column, read the number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 98,297. Just before what it will be? 98,000 and then 297. Just before 297 what we have to come here? 296. Right here 296. And just after 98,298. Okay. Same way we have to write 50,932. Here you write the just before. This one is the just before, and this one is the after, just after. Okay. Same way before 50,000, write 50,000 as it is. 932. So before 932 it will be the 931, and here also 50,000 write as it is, and 932 after 933. Same way you have to write the just before and just after. Students, see successor of 99. Successor of 99. What I told, in successor you have to do the plus 1, that is 100. Successor of 999, again plus 1, that is 100, 1000. Then same way you have to write the predecessor of 100. Then what we have to do? Minus 1. It will be the 91. Predecessor of 1000. 1000 minus 1, that is 999. Okay. That is the predecessor and successor of the number. Very simple. In short, successor that means plus 1, predecessor that means minus 1. You have to do. If any numbers is given, you have to find the successor number. You just add one more in that given number. And if you have to find the predecessor, just subtract 1 from the given number. Then that is the predecessor of the given number. Okay. Increasing order, decreasing order. Children, do you know increasing order? How to write the decreasing order, increasing order? In previous class already you learn increasing or decreasing order. Okay. So once again I will recall you. Suppose some number is given here. One example I will take from your book, and you have to write it. This number in increasing order. Increasing order. One example I am taking from your book. 15775 255 25 20 950 and 15975. This increasing order question is given. Write the numbers in increasing order. So what way increasing order? That means we have to start from the lowest, smallest to highest, smallest to highest or largest number. Okay. The first, for finding the increasing order, it is very important to see all the digits are the same or no. Here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digit number. 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 Yes, all are the 5 digit number. So, you after checking the digits, you have checked the highest ones, tens, 100, 10,000. You have to check the 10,000 numbers. Okay, here this one is the 15,000, this one is the 25,000, this one is the 20,000, this one is the 50,000. So increasing order, what I said, I have to write smallest number first. So two number in thousand place, two number is 15. Here 15 and here 15. Now two 15,000s are there. So after that we will check, compare the both the 15,000, this number and this number we will compare with these two, both the number first. Here 15,775 and here 15,975. Which one is the smaller? See the ones, tens, 100, 100 place 7 is there and here 100 place 9 is there. So which one is it? 9 or 7? Which one is the small? 7 is a small. So we will write the first this number 15,775 and after that obviously this number we will write 15,975 and after that compare the both thousand place 20 and 25. Which one is the smallest? This one 20, 2950 and then 25. At last we have to write 525. Okay. So only these things you have to remember. In increasing order or decreasing order, both the number for finding that or arranging the number, you have to check first the digits. All digits are same or not. If all digits are same, then you check the place values. Means 1000 place, 100 place. First we check the compare the numbers with the 1000 place here. One more example I will take from your book. See here. 4555 455 45 454 55. Next one is the 44555. Students, what I said, you have to check the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. Means all digits are the same. So no confusion here. Then we have to check the place value. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This one is the 45,000. This one is the 45,000. This one is the also 45,000 and this one is the 44,000. So which is small? 44,000. So we will write 44 first. This one we will write the first. 44,555. Okay. And now here 45,000 place value, 10,000 place value is the same, 45, 45, 45. Then we will compare the next value 100. Here in place of 100, 5 is written, here also 5 is written, here 4 is written. So next smallest number is this one. So write 45455. Now last two left here, 45,000 is the same, 1000 place is the same, 100 place is also same. Then we will check the tens place. Here 5, here 4. Which one is the small? So this one is the small, So we will write 4, 5, 5, 4, 5 and at last 4, 5, 5, 5, 4. Same way we will write the decrease. This one is the increasing order and now I explain you decreasing order. Decreasing order. Again I will take from your book one question. 17426, 27246, 37642 and next one is a 47548. In increasing order I told you you have to write the smallest number and in decreasing order just opposite you have to write the largest number, but first step is the same. Here first we have to check the all digits are the same or not. 1 2 3 4 5 5 digit 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 all are the 5 digit. So we have to check the tens value. Here 17,000, this one is the 27,000, this one is the 37,000 and this one is the 1000 place is the 47. So first we have to write the largest number. So which one is the largest? 47 is the largest. So we will write the 47,548. Next largest number, 10 digit check. 37, 27, 70. Which one? This one. So we will write 37, 642. Then 27, 246. Then 17,000. Is it easy? Simply we will compare the one's tens digit. First we check the how many digits, all digits are same or not, and after then we will check the place values and compare the number, and after then in decreasing order we will write the largest number, then smallest, smaller, at last smallest. And in increasing order first we will write smallest number, then larger, at last largest number. Same way you have to solve increasing order, decreasing order, successor, predecessor of the given number.